Here it is, Guardians of the Galaxy, Cosmic Rewind. Welcome to UK theme parks. We are on tour at the moment, as you may know, and it's time for a brand new attraction and a brand new park as well. We are at Epcot and we are going to experience Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, get it right, for the very first time. This is on a virtual queue only. You get one shot at doing it. And after a 480-minute wait, booking it at 7 o'clock this morning. We got in slightly earlier. It's about 1:45, but we're on it straight away. This is where we are. Now, the ride itself is an adventure roller coaster. I say that because it's a scenery base as well as roller coaster base. It is the fastest ride at Walt Disney World. Not only is it the fastest ride at Walt Disney World, it's the fastest ride Disney have ever produced. So this is the fastest Disney ride anywhere in the world. Now, I've seen very little of it, but I do know that people love the soundtrack, and indeed the soundtrack can vary between rides, so I guess it's pot luck whether or not you like the soundtrack once you get on it. So we're going to show you through the queue line, and I believe we can also take you on board Guardians of the Galaxy. I mean, just look at it. It looks really, really spectacular. Once we're done, we'll let you know what we think.
I am still trying to comprehend your terrors and your terms. The growing needs of both our civilian and Novacore fleets. When it comes to
Projection mapped on the floor, look at this.
Our vast agricultural farms are a true wonder. With 3 suns, our land-based habitats are capable of producing immense quantities and varieties of fresh food to feed our diverse population.
Drawn to its incredible beauty and life-giving waters. In time, we built our city.
Oh, it just looks so cool. Look at these as well, look. We'll get more when we get to it. It's the flagships. There's a massive model of this outside. I mean, who wouldn't want this model?
Honor the abundant life waters of our land, but they also reflect our strength. In battle, the armor is placed over the standard and provides robust protection for our noble troops. Peace and strength balanced together. These are the key values.
Allies like the Ravagers and the Guardians of the Galaxy who would never have shipped. To discover more about these allies, let's return to my...
You're right. And was that part of Peter Quill's plan?
You mean the plan that didn't go according to plan? We were completely up.
Made it into the welcome center. Oh.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayam, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
I have a feeling we will find it enough
Welcome,
experience.
people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
Shore Station, here is Cosmic Rewind. Look at this. Bashed into lane 2. 10 rows of 2. I mean, it seems to be infinite trains. I don't know how long this ride is, but it does seem to be infinite trains. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited for this one.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
The Big Bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
Got the generator.
It's about time. Have you not been paying attention?
We have them contained, but not for long.
Locking coordinates.
Remind me to raise that rate. You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
Right, here we are. Look at this. So virtual queues of 420-minute wait. You get one shot at this. That's it. One time is all you can allocate your name to. Disney work very much on a, you have the app then links to your ticket, so you can only book the virtual on the app, and then you scan your ticket to get into the attractions. There's no way around it at all. Look at it in here. This is only sort of the ground floor.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well?
to stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're turning back.
Is that the doomsday?
You gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator.
Have you not been paying attention?
Number team, link your stop latches. We haven't complained, but not for long.
Locking coordinates for Echo.
It's F. Crazy things. You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
Right, there's the outside of the building for Cosmic Rewind. There we go, we've taken you on board as well. Song choice was brilliant. I'm sure it'll get demonetized, but who cares? Right, that ride is, I've said it a loads of times on this trip, but it is breathtaking, beyond breathtaking. Once seated, you've got a lap bar. You actually put your bag between your legs, which is really, really odd. You put your phone in the pocket at the front. You would lose your phone on that. Launching at just over 60 miles an hour. I didn't actually realise the car's turned. I've seen very, very little of it, to be honest with you. Didn't even realise it was here, to be fair. Completely slipped my radar, probably where it's not UK based. And yeah, you sit down, you exit the station, you've got a wonderful story. If you follow Guardians of the Galaxy, you're obviously going to enjoy it a bit more, but even if you don't, I can't see how you would not enjoy the ride and the effects. As you can see on there, the cars all twist independently towards where the action is. The screens, there's always something around you, always. So from story-wise, you launch off, your car turns, you launch backwards as the rewind takes hit into the ride, and then you just gradually sort of twist left and right as you go. There's no inversions on it. It's all about speed, pacing, and storyline. You've probably seen in there the screens. I know it'd be quite dark on the video, but there's screens everywhere. In accordance to screens everywhere, there's like stars everywhere, loads of little bits of scenery and theming, including the pieces at the end. It's just absolutely stunning. I've never been on anything like it in my life. We've already done Velocicoaster and indeed Hagrid's Magical Creatures while we've been here. And I was probably more impressed by Hagrid's, to be honest, because of the story and the Harry Potter theme behind it. But that is on another level. Cosmic Rewind is on another level. I just taken back by it. Watch back the POV of it, because it will definitely be worth it, to be honest, if you have gone past it. Capture some of the detail and things. We'd like to capture the other songs. You can only go on it once. It is so popular that even when the queue opens at 1 o'clock for you to book a lightning lane, it then opens again at 7 o'clock, and then opens again at 1 o'clock. So the 7 o'clock one this morning had a 480 minute wait, which we kind of waited. virtually, if you will, and we still waited another 45 minutes to get on it in there. There is quite a lot to take in, as you saw as we went through. And when it reopened at 1, it also had a 430-minute wait, which pretty much takes the park to close. So it's limited to 1 per guest. So I can't get back on it, sadly, unless I come a different day. And I have to be honest, still here for a while. I'm not going to rule it out, but from Epcot at Disney World in Florida, that was breathtaking. We'll see you next time.